This is the DAE Wireless Cloud Metering for water with AMR130-RN Installation Guide. Products you'll need is a water meter, a AMR130-RN meter, a CC2030 gateway, a Cat5e cable, 2 power adapters, 2 antennas, UL2464 cable, and a WSC500A. Step 1. Connect UL2464 cable to the water meter and AMR130-RN. Then, connect the antenna and the power adapter to AMR130-RN. Step 2. Connect the antenna to the WSC500A. After that, connect WSC500A to CC2030 gateway using UL2464 cable. Next, use 22-gauge wire to power WSC500A with power adapter of CC2030. Step 3. Connect the CC2030 gateway to router using the Cat5e cable. Then connect the power adapter to the CC2030 gateway. Then you're all set. Side note: CC2030 should be close within 30 feet to router. Max transmission distance between WSC500A and AMR130-RN is 5 kilometers in open space. Wire of antenna cannot be extended. Please use the same method to connect second AMR130-RN and second water meter. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at 248-635-3708 or info@daecontrols.com, or refer to our website www.daecontrol.com.